I'm going to take the topic in machine learning, unsupervised learning categories, advantages and disadvantages of unsupervised learning, applications of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is different from the supervised learning technique as its name suggests that there is no need for supervision. It means in unsupervised machine learning, the machine is trained using the unlabeled data set and the machine predicts the output without any supervision. In unsupervised learning, the models are trained with data that is neither classified nor labeled, and the model acts on that data without any supervision. The main aim of the unsupervised learning algorithm is to group or category the unsorted dataset according to the similarities, patterns, and differences. Machines are instructed to find the hidden patterns from the input dataset. Examples: suppose there is a basket of fruit images and input it into the machine learning model. The images are totally unknown to the model, and the task of the machine is to find patterns and categories of the objects. So now the machine will discover its patterns and differences such as color difference, a shape difference, and predict the output when it is tested with the test data set. Categories of unsupervised learning can be further classified into two types, which are given below. Clustering association. Clustering technique is used when we want to find the inherent groups from the data. It is a way to group the objects into a cluster such that the objects with the most similarities remain in one group and have fewer or no similarities with objects of other groups. An example of the clustering algorithm is grouping the customers by their purchasing behavior. Association rule learning is an unsupervised learning technique which finds interesting relations among variables within a large dataset. The main aim of this learning algorithm is to find the dependency of one data item on another data item and map those variables accordingly so that it can generate maximum profit. This algorithm is mainly applied in market basket analysis, web usage mining, continuous production, etc. Some popular algorithms of association rule learning are a priori algorithm, eclet FP growth algorithm. The advantages of unsupervised learning can be used for complicated tasks compared to the supervised ones because these algorithms work on the unlabeled dataset. They are preferable for various tasks as getting the unlabeled dataset is easier as compared to the labeled dataset. The disadvantages is that the output of an unsupervised algorithm can be less accurate as the dataset is not labeled and algorithms are not trained with the exact output in prior. Working with unsupervised learning is more difficult as it works with the unlabeled dataset that does not map with the output. Network analysis, recommendation systems, anomaly detection, singular value decomposition are few applications of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is used for identifying plagiarism and copyright in document network analysis of text data for scholarly articles. Recommendation systems widely use unsupervised learning techniques for building recommendation applications for different web applications, and e commerce websites. Anomaly detection is a popular application of unsupervised learning which can identify unusual data points within the dataset. It is used to discover fraudulent transactions. Singular value decomposition is used to extract particular information from the database, for example, extracting information of each user located at a particular location. Thank you.